Hello beautiful community. The days are starting to get longer and warmer here in Kilmore. August can see some very cold and wet weather, but so far we are enjoying a few warmer days after the morning frost and fog has dissipated. Kilmore is located in a valley, and last month there were a few days where the fog settled all day, not allowing the sun to shine. I purchased a couple of Banksia pods from the woodworking shop called Pop's Shed. It's on the outskirts of Melbourne, and I've purchased a couple of pods some years ago from there and thought I would make some smelling pods. So after cutting the Banksia pod in half, we covered the bottom 2 inches with resin. I'll tell you why later. I use canola oil before I start the resin process. It helps release the wood from the plastic containers. After we glued the pod onto a waste block, we turned it down, removing all the hairy fibres until it looked fairly clean. For this occasion we used the 1/2-inch spindle gouge as both a gouge and a scraper. The scraping process helped remove the hairy fibres. We turned a 10mm hole and made sure it's drilled into the bottom 2 inches where the resin is located. The reason I have the resin at the base is so that when we pour eucalyptus oil or any other smelling oil into the pod, the resin acts like a reservoir and contains the oil. Otherwise it would seep out the holes along the sides and wouldn't be very effective. I turned a top using a piece of scrap bull oak and added some eucalyptus oil. One of the pods sits in the kitchen, providing a lovely aroma. The last couple I made ended up as birthday presents, and no doubt these will find a new home shortly. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.